Hey there, Brian. Yeah, I'm joined here at the Ignite conference in San Francisco from Microsoft's Ignite conference with commercial CEO Judson Althoff. Thanks for joining us. Let's start right with this Anthropic deal. That is the top of everyone's mind here. And watching your keynote, one of the things I picked up on was this kind of expansion of the platform into other areas, including potential competitors and things like that. Anthropic is one of those, and you're investing in Anthropic. How much of this deal was about getting access to their technology to run it on Azure? And how much of it do you see now that this deal with OpenAI has been renewed as kind of, hey, Sam Altman, you don't hold all the cards here. We can spread some of the money around as well. How do you think of that deal?
Thanks for being here, Steve, at Microsoft Ignite. We're thrilled to have you here and thrilled to be able to have you cover all of our announcements. Look, the Anthropic partnership is critical for us and very, very strategic because our customers are demanding model diversity in all of their scenarios. To us today, as we build out more and more robust AI applications and solutions, you see multiple models show up in a single scenario because it's about the right model for the right solution at the right price point in the right scenario and the right level of quality and fine tuning. So the partnership we have with Anthropic allows us to bring some balance into the models that we provide. We've already supported over 11,000 models in Microsoft Foundry. Now this is a big anchor tenant for us as well to serve up to customers.
And we're going to start seeing this bleed into more Microsoft products, the Anthropic models. We already had a previous partnership with them. Now that's going to presumably grow and expand.
Yeah, and it's fantastic. In fact, if you use Microsoft Researcher today, you can use it with GTP5 and you can use it with Claude. And it's pretty fascinating to actually see the difference in the responses that you'll get. If you're asking for a research paper to be prepared for you, GPT-5 can go pretty deep in text. Claude actually brings the color and context of visualizations to life a little bit more effectively in that type of a scenario. So you can already see the differences in model diversity popping in some of our first-party agents.
And presumably the customer would want to select what's better for them. When this news came out a few hours ago, my social media feed, my emails, et cetera, everyone, circular economy, circular economy. This is, vendor financing, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of concerns about this nature of the people who are accepting the money from these AI companies, also financing them. Do you think we're in this kind of circular economy sort of mode right now, or why invest in the company that's paying?
Sure. Well, if you think about it, the partnership that we started with OpenAI years ago, we invested $1 billion in OpenAI to help get them off the ground, and that's flourished into the AI standard, if you will, in the market today. We're doing the same thing with Anthropic to help bootstrap their growth and to help bring them to a new level of parity because they have fantastic models that have great use cases. We showed some of them on stage today at Ignite, and we want to make sure that the companies that are empowering the future of AI actually have the right kind of grounding in the market, and we're happy to be able to support them the way we're doing.